Have you ever imagined a kitchen where appliances communicate like a well-oiled orchestra, each one singing to the tune of your culinary creations, optimizing temperature and timing as effortlessly as flipping a switch? Welcome to the future of cooking that's not confined to the pages of a sci-fi novel but is sizzling right in your kitchen. Today the clangs of pots and pans are harmonized by the subtle beeps and hums of smart kitchen gadgets. These innovative tools offer not just convenience but a revolution in the way we approach meal preparation. The raid of smart technology into the kitchen started with the simple enhancements like programmable coffee machines and has evolved into a full suite of intelligent devices that make cooking more adaptable, efficient, and enjoyable. Among the frontrunners are smart ovens that use sensors and artificial intelligence to recognize the food type and automatically adjust settings for optimal results. Then, there's the magic-like spectacle of cooking robots that can prepare entire meals, programmed to add ingredients at precise timings, keep the perfect temperature, and stir with exactitude, all while keeping your kitchen cleaner than most humans would. These high-tech devices aren't just about flashy technology either. They're a portal to a new way of managing our lives around food. Take, for example, connected kitchen scales. These scales can convert measurements, match ingredient proportions according to a recipe, and even suggest substitutions based on what's available in your pantry. Smart kitchen technology doesn't stop with preparation. It extends its benefits to include learning capabilities. Apps and integrated devices can track your preferences, learn from your choices, and begin to suggest recipes or tweak existing ones to better suit your taste buds and dietary needs. The more you use them, the smarter they get, tailoring your kitchen experiences to be more personalized than ever before. Imagine a world where your kitchen understands your busy schedule and prepares a meal plan that complements it, all while accommodating for health goals and dietary restrictions. Welcome to the era of intelligent meal planning apps. These apps can suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand, your past preferences, and even push notifications to your phone when it's optimal cooking time based on your daily routine. As you move through your weekly schedule, these apps adapt, suggesting meals that can be prepared quickly on a busy day or introducing new recipes for leisurely Sundays. Beyond convenience, these technologies are engineered to enhance the culinary skills of their users. Interactive cooking assistants and augmented reality apps guide you through recipes, providing step-by-step instructions and correcting your technique in real time. This high degree of customization is not only about saving time, it's about elevating the cooking experience. Smart ovens and cooking robots work synergistically under the command of these apps, ensuring that every dish is cooked to perfection, considering factors such as external temperatures and individual taste preferences. This union of gearing and technology promises to not only streamline the cooking process, but also to enhance the sensory enjoyment of the meals prepared. The integration of technology in kitchen appliances isn't just upgrading our cooking methods, it is reshaping our social fabric and environmental footprint. In environments where meal preps are communal activities like family get-togethers or social events, these gadgets act as icebreakers and points of interest, sparking conversations about technology's role in our daily lives and possibly fostering a greater interest in culinary arts among participants. These smart kitchen devices also come with environmental accolades. They are designed to be more energy efficient, reduce food waste by suggesting recipes based on leftover ingredients, and improve resource management with precision. Robots and smart appliances minimize the need for heating up large spaces or using large pots and pans unnecessarily, smartly gauging the amount of energy required for each cooking task. As we stand on the brink of what could very well be a revolution in the kitchen, it's clear that these technologies are here to sustain. They offer a bridge between the traditional art of cooking and the modern push toward efficiency and sustainability. Engaging with these tools can transform not only how we cook, but also how we interact and think about food in our everyday lives. In essence, smart kitchen gadgets are more than just tools. They are gatekeepers to a new era of food intelligence, where each meal is a symphony composed by both the chef and the technology at their fingertips, creating deeper connections not just between the ingredients in our pans, but also the people around our tables.